Hello YouTube, welcome to part 2 of this tire repair. This has been sitting quite a while. I put soapy water and I wiped it off. So I know there's some down in these cracks. Okay. And it's been about 15-20 minutes. And it was less than that before I could see it. If you can't go by that, you don't know what that is. This stuff has white stuff and black stuff in it, but let's flip it over. We'll spray the other side and see what it looks like. I've already forgotten which is the worst side, but I think I'll be able to tell you by the time I'm done. This is where it was leaking, I think, where it says Armstrong. I'd have to go back and you'd have to look at the very first video. Impossible to find entirely. So stay tuned. I got the wind blowing everything around here. It is like 80 degrees out on a Sunday. Okay, we'll let you see how much soapy water I got on here. Now this is a really bad crack. I swore it was near where it said Armstrong. But the idea is to wipe it out and leave some in there, okay? And it's been about 15 minutes. This will probably be better once I start driving, as it'll start coating the whole tire, because the stuff doesn't harden until it hits the air, so. We're only down about a pound of air. And this has been like 5 days. This has been a long project. My yard needs mowed. I'll snap a photo of it if you could tell how tall the grass is. But we got some bare spots, because I figure it died in August last year. My yard was pure brown. So thanks for watching. I thought I'd better get this update done. It's been a while. Today's Sunday, and when I posted the first video, the Possible to Find Leak, it was posted that day, I think. So, thanks for watching. And no use taking too many pictures of this, but I will show you a picture of my yard, what it looks like. Little short video clip, you stayed till the end there. We just got some tall grass here and there. This will be a good one. We'll try to take one too when we first mow it before and after. So thanks again. We're gone.